Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious peppered chicken. Let's get started. And this is the chicken I'll be using for this peppered chicken. I have here some wings and the chicken breast. I've cleaned and washed it thoroughly. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add salt and some spices to it. So in the plate here, I have some dry pepper, some thyme, salt, cinnamon powder, some seasoning cube, and some bay leaves. And I also have some garlic and the ginger paste. I'll now add all of them into the pot, stir together and steam for some time before adding water to it. It's been steaming for some time now. I'll now add it some water and cover and allow it to cook. While the chicken is cooking, I will now prepare and blend the peppers and the tomatoes I'll be using. These are all I'm going to use here. And I'll also add it 1 onion and roughly blend everything together. And here is the roughly blended peppers and the tomato. And here we have the chicken well cooked. The next thing I'm going to do is to grill it for about 20 minutes in the oven. You can fry it if you want, but I just want to grill it a little. I'm not going to dry it much. While the chicken is grilling, we'll now fry the peppers. In a dry pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up, then add some onions. I'm adding one of the remaining onions I showed you earlier. I have some green onions too. That one there is faster than the shoes. So I'll fry in the onions, the purple onions and the green onions or spring onions. After frying the onions for some minutes, I then add the blended peppers and fry. Been cooking for some time now, so I'll add it a little more spices. I have there freshly blended ginger and garlic. I have curry powder, some seasoning cube, and some salt. Stir everything together and also allow to cook a little more. The peppers are well cooked now. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes now, and I've been stirring it too, so don't leave yours. and it's thick for me, so I'm going to add some chicken stock to it to loosen it a bit, and then allow it to cook for about 2-3 minutes more, and then we'll add our chicken. The sauce is looking so delicious already, and I've also tested for salt and the spices. Everything is fine, enough pepper, and it's so tasty. So it's now time to add the chicken and allow to cook so that the sauce can enter into the chicken well. Woo! Whew. Look at this. Isn't it looking so yummy already? But we still have something more to eat. We're adding some onions and more spring onions to make it more beautiful. We'll now stir everything together, and our delicious peppered chicken is ready. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all for your support, both my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. May God bless you all. I appreciate. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try this out. I enjoyed eating this. You can eat it with rice, with pasta, with a bottle or cup of wine, a cup of juice, anything you love. You can eat it alone and drink water. You will also be satisfied. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and tell me what you think about this. And most importantly, share this video. Thank you all. I love you all. Bye.